Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing rclone and Fuse so you can mount Google Drive like a regular file system. Once installed, run rclone config and choose New Remote, name it something short, then select Drive and follow OAuth prompts in your browser. Make sure you authorize the correct Google account. Otherwise, create separate remotes per account. Once the remote is configured, test connectivity with rclone LSD remote to list root folders. Confirming the initial connection works before moving to mounting. Next, create a mount point and adjust permissions so your user can read and write there. Then mount with rclone mount remote /mnt/G drive using VFS cache mode writes for smoother file edits. Run it as a daemon or with systemd for persistence. Use rclone sync to mirror a local folder to drive and rclone copy to push without deletes. Make sure you include progress during initial transfers and consider BW limit during peak hours to avoid saturating your network. Finally, automate the mount by creating a systemd user service that runs rclone mount at login, ensuring after equals network online. Target so drive is reachable. Once active, add the mount to your file manager bookmarks for quick access and use rclone copy/sync for scheduled backups via cron or systemd timers. If you run into problems, check rclone logs and journoctl for permission or token errors. Renew OAuth tokens via rclone config or recreate the remote if authorization fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.